Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can do facial restoration from your old photo. If you remember, I have done this earlier in another tool, but some of you were saying that you were not able to do that using that online tool. So I will show you how you can run this from Google Colab. So I will share with you the notebook in the description box, so you can open that in your Google Colab and run it. So I will show you how you can run it. And for this exercise, I'm planning to take this photo. Yeah, I got one of these photo from online. One random photo I got. I wanted actually an old photo. So here people's faces and all are not clear. That is the kind of photo I need. So you come here and first you need to execute all these comments one by one. That is the only thing you need to do. I'm executing it and it is running. So it is cloning that GFPGAN. Okay, let it run. After that, we'll proceed to the next step. It is still running, as you can see here. Okay, so it has run. Now the second step is uploading the images. So for that, I need to run this. So yeah, this is the one. So what it will do is it will actually see all the images and it will crop all the faces from there and convert it and restore it. Now I am running the third step, inference. Now we use this GFPGAN to restore the low quality images using different models. So it's running. It is creating all those tiles. Okay, that has run. Now we will visualize the cropped faces. So here you will be able to see side by side what is the enhancement that it has made. You see the enhancement is an old image, how it looks now, right? There's only one, there are many. So it's just executing. This might take a while for it to execute all those images because there are so many people in that photo. You see? You see this? how bad it was and how it looks now. There are more people in there, that's why it's taking more time to come. And you can download all these results. I will let it run to show you some more images within that. And meanwhile, I'll just open and show you. The raw image was this one. In the next step, what we do is the entire whole image itself will be replaced with the modified one. This is replacing each image one by one by cropping their faces. Okay, so it is done. So the remaining people are also in. Let's see how the whole image looks now. So this was the one, and this is a new one. And all the results can be downloaded by clicking this. So I hope this information is useful. So after clicking on this, it will download the zip file. You can unzip it and see all the restored images. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.